showing you how to make an origami mini dog. In order to make the mini dog, you will need an origami piece of paper. In this case, as this is such a small dog, we're going to be using a mini sheet of origami. But if you want to make a larger sized one, like this one, then I recommend you to using the normal sized origami. So now what we're going to do is we're going to start. And also, if you're doing this, you might want to use some rulers and scissors. So let's start. So we're just going to be making this mini little nice cute doggy. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start to fold it up into the right positions. And this is how we're going to do it. So the first part of this is we are going to fold this in half and rotate. And then you fold the ears down like this. You make the ears smaller. So if I wanted to make this one smaller, I just need to make it just a little bit smaller. Like that. And then this part, we don't really have that on dogs. You just fold it back. Okay? And then you have your mini dog. And that was only again 4 steps to get this mini dog. And you can make puppets, you can stick them on lollipop sticks. It's really up to you what you want to do with these. So now we can do the colouring. I'm going to be using a colouring pencil and a felt tip to start colouring. You can use whatever you want, like felt tips and crayons, but today I'm going to be using a pencil, a colouring pencil and a felt tip.